Did you know the tallest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars? Lava can reach temperatures of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit 1,200. And the Ring of Fire in the Pacific is home to 75% of the world's active volcanoes. Volcanoes are a reminder of Earth's immense power and beauty. They connect us to the planet's fiery core and continue to shape our world every day. If you loved learning about these geological marvels, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Unified for more breathtaking explorations.